Hello there people, how are you doing? Got something different for you today. Still got my electronics, but the LED light things, well, it's not really coming along. A few, I suppose, technical issues. Consider it such a simple circuit, you know, I wasn't expecting so many difficulties, but I'll get back to that for another time. What I've got today, oh my goodness, this is heavy. I've got this. This is my old laptop. Now, it is old. I've probably not turned it on for at least, what, 10 years? Don't even know if it works or anything. I suppose what I'll do is power it up, see what happens, we'll have a quick look at what's on it, and then we'll rip the guts out of it, I suppose. See what's on the inside. Well, let's get on with it. Okay, here we are. Laptop. Now, I've cleared off the workbench first of all. That took some doing. Yeah, it's quite a bit of rubbish on there, but it's clean now. And now we've got the old laptop. So I want to have a quick look at it. I suppose, what have I got in the back here? VGA. I suppose that's for a, well, it says S, so it must be a, what's that for? We've got a Ethernet port, we've got a network connector. Is that right? Ethernet, network. A couple of serial ports here, man. And USB. I bet those USBs are almost certainly USB 1. So, and a keyboard PS2 connector. That looks like a PS2, but it's not, is it? It's a serial connector of some sort. Looks like it. The symbol looks like it's meant to be for a monitor, but that's also to a monitor. We've got the side. Got a CD drive. Got something else there. Floppy drive. Volume. Your connectors for your microphone and headphones and whatnot there. Whoa! Look at that. Pentium III. Wow. This is a, what's that for? It's like a, must be a lock or something for, there you go. It's like you can change that or do something else in there. I'll have a look at that in a bit. Now I'm gonna try turning it on, but I'm not expecting anything. Ooh, it's a nasty sound in there. Doing something. I don't know if you can see that. No, it's a bit. System BIOS 640k RAM, 123 extended RAM, 4M video. System BIOS, CD. It's got a Hitachi fixed disc, Hitachi. Check date and time settings. System CMOS checksum. Wow. You never know, it might actually work. System configuration date updated. Error. Yeah, I'm not surprised. I've been on for about 10 years. Pentium III, man. Is this thing going to come to life? Look at that. Trouble is, if it requires a password, I haven't got a clue. That drive's making a hell of a noise. No. Password. Don't know. No, I've no idea. Ooh, listen to that drive. So, yeah, it turns on, it probably works, but I'm going to tear it apart anyway. So let's turn it over. So we've got on the back some so the battery 14.8 volts. It's a Panasonic. That's what this machine is. No label on the front, but it is a Panasonic. Start with something like this. The little screwdriver. This covers off. Oh, there's a lock on the back there. I wonder what that locks. Suppose I want to find a tub for putting screws in. Haven't got anything at all. Okay, I've got a tub. Start it from the kitchen. Just don't tell anybody. Into trouble. What have we got under there? Fan. Fan unit. Okay, let's undo this. I wonder if this is the. This is the. That comes out, or is it? Oh, is it this screw here? This is for the floppy drive. There we go. Wow. What sort of connection is that? Got another little compartment over here. This little screw. Oh my goodness. Well, not quite sure what that's for. See, to connect to the that board to the Ethernet there. Yeah, it's for the Ethernet. Odd that. So what I do is put the screw back in there. So obviously this was designed to be an optional extra. wonder how this is meant to come out. Because why have a cover for it if you can't? So you have 4 screws in there. Let's get those 4 screws out here. Nearly there. Right, so what's this hiding? Oh! Is that really the... Is that my Pentium III? That would appear to be my Pentium III. Wow, that's a heatsink with a fan. That I wasn't expecting. I suppose I'll try and get the rest of the lid off, or the back off anyway. How many screws have I got in here? There isn't one there. I wonder if all of these deep recessed ones are the ones I've got to take out. Took that one out. Well, I suppose I better take them out and see. So yeah, Pentium III. Not sure when that was launched. It was pre-2000. Pretty sure. Pentium IV was what, 2001. So this thing, this laptop itself's got to be knocking on for 20 years. I know the changes that have happened since then. I've got them all. Let's do another one here. There's a lot of screws in this. Oh, there we go. It's coming apart. That's it. So let me just try and catch the screws that I didn't get out. One. Couple down here. Okay, we're in. It's just a big block, isn't it? What have we got here? This is for sets of speakers. By the looks of it. Kind of little. It's obviously the board at the front. What's underneath there? Oh, the mouse. The mouse pad. For that, you know, left and right switch. So let's take these screws out, have a look. obviously it's like a connector or something. Yeah, there we go. And I've got, let's put the screws back in the posts so I know where they are. And take this one out. I can get this whole front assembly removed, I suppose. Goes in there. Okay, so that is speakers and the front switches for left and right on the mouse pad there. Well, that was simple enough, wasn't it? I wonder what that's meant to be for, unless it's a test point. It's a groovy little speakers, these. I'll be able to get in there and have a look at that at some point. Right, what else should I take off? All I got. Oh, that's now loose. That's me CD drive. Model version B92. It's a TAC CD224E. Well, there you go. That's the cover for that. So the main board is in this section. So main board isn't that big really. So we can get in underneath. It's like almost like shielding. To the back. Oh, this is all fixed together. Well, I've got to take the whole lot off. This screw. Still be fixed somewhere. Take this pad out, whatever that's for. Tested to comply with FCC standards. Okay. Take this little board off, no idea what it's for. It does not want to shift. So you can see this side is loose. This side does not want to leave the premises. I can't work out why. Okay, so I've managed to sort out that cover. There was just way around to that go like that. There were a couple of posts that were holding it in. Took that board out. which is obviously something to do with the Ethernet port. Nice to get that off. Also taken the screen off. What I'm going to do is put these particular screws back in their holes. Don't want to lose those ones. So this board doesn't quite come off. This shielding stuff is stuck down, so I could try and pull it off, but I'd probably ruin it in the process. So let's what have I got? Take these two screws out, and hopefully I might be able to pull the actual board out. Well, these are slightly longer. This little connector here for something. Does this? There's movement. Yeah, still something holding it in there. Yeah, that shield went to come out with it. Well, no, but there's more stickiness in there. Oh, there we go. I need to disconnect that, whatever that is. How does that come off of there? And those little cables that just slots in, but it's kind of like a tension to them. They don't just pop out. There we go. So that is the main guts of this machine. So what's under this lot? You know, I was expecting to find like a mini hard drive. That's the back of the Pentium. I get the feeling. Let's see if I might have to try and get some of this sticky stuff off, because wow, there we go. But looking at this, you know, there's nothing that says this is the hard drive. There's nothing that says this is the memory modules. This is really is an old. I wonder if the memory is under there. Not heavily sure. It looks like something under there. Might be where. Might just be memory. Yeah. So I'd say that that's the memory underneath there. Looking at it. If I can get and zoom in on that. So yeah, it's probably the memory modules actually on the board. Wow. Hard drive? No idea. There isn't obviously a hard drive in the sense that we know it today. You know, you'd have some sort of disk driven drive. So let's stick these back down. Very sticky stuff, this. Obviously it's the heat shield, but it's designed to protect it. Anyway, that is as it says there, Pentium III 2001. So this machine is from 2001. I suppose the sensible thing would be to try and put it back together. I do find it odd that there's memory chips on board. Don't see a discrete unit for a hard drive, so I have to take it that this doesn't have a discrete hard drive in that sense. So there you go, Panasonic laptop. I suppose I could try putting it back together because it was working. I just couldn't remember the password to get into it. Yeah, no idea about hard drive. There must be something in here somewhere. When it was on, it makes a lot of noise on this side. So that's my memory chips. Perhaps there's something under there. There's no hard drive in the way that we know it today. So yeah, interesting how these old machines are put together. There you go. My old laptop. Perhaps I might put it back together. Maybe. Catch you next time.